Welcome to Book of Recipes, a cooking channel on YouTube. We are proud to bring you today's recipe, pork ramen. We're going to start with teriyaki stir-fry veggies and some sauce, 4 packets of pork ramen noodles, and we're going to use pork meat chunks because I don't like to cut it up myself. We're going to melt the butter in the pan. When that's all melted, we're going to add the meat. While it's cooking, we're going to season it with some Montreal steak seasoning, some pepper, and some dried onions. Then we're going to go ahead and continue to cook it. While that's cooking, we're going to go ahead and start our ramen noodles. We're using 4 packages of ramen noodles, and the water level should only cover half of the noodles. Remember, you will not drain this, so don't put too much. Next, we're going to add the stir-fry seasoning into the cooked pork. Stir it around a bit and get a nice even coating. We're going to add the seasonings to the ramen noodles and stir that up well. When the noodles are about half cooked, we're going to add our raw veggies straight into the pot. We're going to put the lid on and continue to cook until it boils. After the water boils, we're going to turn it off and add the meat. Stir it up well, let it sit for a few moments, and then enjoy. And here we have the end results. Pork and veggie ramen, guys. This is the way to cook it. Hope you enjoy.